So it turns out that our music clip for this tutorial is already pretty good. We checked it and it's coming in that neighborhood of 60 to 70 decibels for conversation level. But what do you do if your clip is not in that neighborhood? Here's a quick fix. First, come back to your project. Make sure you have the actual music selected. Right now I have a slide selected. You see the yellow selection highlighter kind of around that slide. I'm going to click on my music, so now my music is selected. Then I'm going to come up here to this row of icons and make sure that I've selected volume. See how it's selected now? You have this toggle here that you can slide up and down for increasing the volume. So if at 100% when you brought it in, it's still too low, you might scoot it up a little bit, maybe 107, maybe 123. You're going to have to play with it. Another way to change your volume is down here in the clip. You see this black line going in between the two areas? If you hover your mouse over it, it sort of changes the cursor to this adjust the volume up and down. You can click and drag it up and down. And up at the top, you can look at how my toggle is changing up there too as I wiggle my line. Use whichever one is more comfortable for you. For me, I prefer to come up here to this toggle. Look at 400. It gets really loud. You see a lot of yellow and some red kind of warning visuals there. You sometimes may need to use 400, but for now, I'm going to just kind of guesstimate, bump it up a little bit, maybe 123, 107. You can fiddle with it a little bit. And then go ahead and do that sound check again with the sound meter app on your phone. Make sure you're in the neighborhood averaging more or less 60 to 70 decibels for comfortable conversation level. And before you check it, make sure that your computer is also set to the medium level. You're trying to do it at your computer volume medium, and then that should be a nice medium conversation level when you export the file out.